morning. We are team number 2, and today we're going to talk about the air pollution in Monterrey. My name is Barbara Valdez.
It's Carlos.
Gianfranco.
Alison. Y soy. Mexico is one of the world's mega diverse countries, home to around 10% of all known species. Its wide variety of climates and ecosystems supports thousands of unique plants and animals, making it a key nation for the conservation of global biodiversity and sustainable development.
Nuevo León, especially the Monterrey metropolitan area, is one of the most polluted zones in Mexico. Studies from UNL and the state environmental system show high levels of fine particles, ozone, and nitrogen oxides that exceed safe limits for human health.
The main sources of air pollution are industries, vehicles, and construction dust. Factories release most of the suspended particles, while cars and trucks emit gases like carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide, making the air quality worse.
Air pollution causes breathing problems and allergies. Many people in Monterrey suffer from asthma and other lung diseases causes the dirty air. On the environment, pollution damages plants, animals, and the mountains around the city. It also makes the city long and gray and reduce visibility.
The current situation. Recent data from IQ Air and state monitoring stations show that PM 2.5 levels in Monterrey often surpass the World Health Organization's limits. During dry and hot seasons, pollution peaks are frequent, creating health alerts across the city.
Now that we have seen how serious air pollution is in Monterrey, it's time to focus on what we can do to solve it. Air pollution may sound like a problem that only governments or big companies can fix. But the truth is that every action, even small ones, can make a real difference. A cleaner and healthier city depends on cooperation between authorities, industries, and all citizens. One of the most effective solutions is to promote cleaner and more efficient public transportation. The Monterrey metropolitan area has thousands of cars circulating every day, and most of them use fossil fuels that release carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and other harmful gases. If the city invested in electrical buses, improved the metro system, and created more bicycle lanes, people will be encouraged to leave their cars at home. This change could reduce traffic, could reduce noise, and the most important, this change could reduce air pollution at the same time. Also, carpooling programs can be encouraged among workers and students. If 4 people share one car instead of driving separately cars, that's 3 fewer cars releasing gases into the air. Some universities and companies in other countries have already implemented this system, and they have shown good results in lowering pollution levels. Another important step is to make industries adopt greener technologies. Monterrey is an industrial city full of factories and construction sites that produce large amounts of suspended particles. To change this, the government could offer incentives like tax reductions or certification to companies that reduce renewable energy, recycle waste, or install filters that reduce emissions. Industries that continue polluting could face stronger penalties. This type of policy not only improves air quality but also helps companies become more competitive and more responsible. We should also focus on urban green spaces, planting more trees in parks, in avenues, around schools. This can help capture carbon dioxide and clean the air naturally. In addition, trees lower temperatures, provide shade, and make the city more beautiful and livable. Schools and communities could organize tree planting days where citizens take part in reforestation projects. This would not only improve the environment but also increase people's awareness about the importance of protecting nature. Education is another key factor. It's important that environmental education becomes part of the curriculum in schools so that children grow up understanding how their actions affect the planet. Campaigns on social media and television can also teach citizens about responsible habits, such as avoiding burning trash, checking car emissions, and saving electricity at home. The government, on the other hand, should keep monitoring air quality and making that information public. If people know when the pollution levels are high, they can take precautions like staying indoors or using masks. At the same time, public pressure can motivate local authorities to act faster. Technology can also help. Monterey could invest in smart city solutions like sensors that measure pollution in real time, apps that show citizens which areas have cleaner air, and systems that optimize traffic lights to reduce congestion. Innovations and technology can make cities cleaner, safer, and more efficient. Finally, it's important to remember that change begins with each one of us. Simple daily habits can have a strong impact. Walking or biking instead of driving, recycling, turning off the lights when they're not needed, and supporting eco friendly companies. Every time someone chooses a sustainable action, it sends a message that the community cares about the planet.
Yep. Improving air quality starts with small actions. People can use public transportation, walk, or bike instead of driving short distances. Recycling, planting trees, and reducing energy use at home also helps lower pollution. If everyone makes small changes, together we can create a cleaner and healthier environment in Nuevo León.